You may hear agents refer to the MLS. We seem to love to use letters to shorten things, but that can leave buyers and sellers in the dark about the tools we use to help find the perfect home. And that's exactly why I started the Terms, Tips, and Tricks series. It's a way to take out the guesswork for potential clients. This is episode 126 on the multiple listing service. The multiple listing service is a tool used by real estate professionals to syndicate their listing to multiple sites and platforms. It was developed by the National Association of Realtors and is a game changer in making sure even the smallest local brokerage can effectively compete with the largest national firms, and that gets listings in front of the most potential buyers. As a listing agent, one of the first things I do after getting the legal documents signed by you is place your home into the multiple listing service. The MLS takes the data I enter about your home and syndicates that to other sites such as Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin, and yes, even Whitehurst.com. The MLS ensures that all sites have the same listing information. Just about every real estate firm and company has access to the MLS data for their agents and their own websites. By using the MLS, agents from across the country gain access to the homes listed right here in our region. With my affiliation with Berkshire Hathaway, that same info is available anywhere in the world through their network of websites and marketing. The MLS makes sure the info on your home is consistent across all the sites and is reaching the masses. The use of the MLS by agents is a huge advantage to both the buyer and seller clients. Sellers benefit from increased exposure of their home, and buyers can get access to home information in just about any region that they want. If you like these videos, please stand by for more. Until next time, I'm Whitehurst.